Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this beautiful Volkswagen California Ocean. It's just arrived with us. It's only had 2 owners from new. Features full Volkswagen service history. Registration is Victor Tango 19 Oscar Delta Foxtrot. Finished in blue metallic. Being an Ocean, this is absolutely top spec, including the very rare and desirable fully electric automated roof. So you can open the roof by the push of a button, which we'll demonstrate to you now. So there we go, the roof is going up now. So literally one push of a button, hold it on, the roof goes up, so it takes out all the hassle of opening and closing a roof for yourself. Really nice, really desirable option this is. So there we have it, the roof is now fully up. I'll walk you around to the side here. So looking on the front end, we can see we have front parking sensors. Features alloy wheels. Completely unmarked. 17 inches. So the vehicle's currently set up into what we refer at Raylands as day mode. So the roof is up, the awning is out, table and chairs are set up as well. So these table and chairs, for those who don't know, these chairs fold away and fit inside the tailgate. I'll show you where they go shortly. This table folds away and goes inside this sliding door. So now we're open up inside, let's take a look inside. So you can see at the front we've got twin captain seats. Beautiful condition this California. It's been extremely well cared for. I'll show you all the controls at the end of the video at the front. So let's take a look underneath these glass panels here. So you can see we've got a twin hob burner, which is gas. We also have our sink, as this vehicle has an onboard water tank. We also have our fridge area with basket, really nice and deep. You can actually put a lot in there, as I have done myself. Lovely amount of glass here to look out, enjoy the view. So let's look at from the other side. We'll just sit them on the captain seats. So also we've got an inside table as well. We've got loads of storage underneath these cabinets, which you can see there. We also have lighting on board, and we also have a 240 volt socket there and a 20 amp cigarette style socket as well. So we'll get this all set up now for sleeping while I show you around the rest of the vehicle. Also an extremely rare desirable option, this vehicle also features outdoor shower, which we can see here. Absolutely superb if we're down at the beach, or of course just wanting a shower in the morning or the end of the day. So let's just put that away a minute while we get that set up inside. I'll take you for a walk around the rear of the vehicle. So as we can see, beautiful reflections of the paintwork there today. Got rear parking sensors. We also have a rear camera, which we can see there. I'll show you that on the screen later in the video. So again, looking down the sides here, absolutely superb. Nice Ocean decal here. This here is our 240 socket hookup area. We've also got a lockable water storage area. So just pop a hose pipe or fill it up with a watering can or whatever there. Again, completely unmarked alloy wheel, 17 inch. The roof itself is in absolutely fantastic order. There's no rips or snags or tears or anything at all. As I said, it's been extremely well cared for. Just show you that passenger front wheel now. As I said, all completely unmarked. Just while we're finishing off inside there, I'll just share our view here at Rayland Car Sales. Absolutely stunning day here in South Somerset. So I do believe we're nearly there. We're nearly all set up. And there we go, all set up now. We've got a nice double downstairs. These are really comfy to sleep in, as I have had the pleasure myself. So we've got some of our blinds down here just to show you what it's like with the blinds down. These are nice and easy to slide down. Just pull the bed down as well to reveal our double up the top. We also have a 12 volt socket up here as well as lighting. So now we'll just jump inside, take a look inside the front cab area. So let's start the van up. So as you can see, there's a little warning there just letting us know not to drive off, saying that the roof is open as I've just started the vehicle. There's no warning lights here whatsoever. Driven it myself, drives absolutely superb. Needs a drop of fuel, which we'll do later after this video. It's only covered 36,347 miles, that's 36,347. Got a lovely infotainment system here as well. Just turn it off now, which features Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. We also have radio, which features DAB as well. We also have electronic heated front seats. Again, really nice option. We also have air conditioning. Beautiful gloss black inlays. The all-important DSG gearbox. Really nice and smooth. And it also has the rare paddle shift option as well, which again is very nice. We have electric heated folding mirrors, electric windows. We have automatic lights, cruise control with speed limiter as well. Comes with 2 keys, with the all-important remote key here for our heating, so we can turn the heater on remotely, so we could be sat outside the van, just flick it on or off, or of course in our bed. Really nice option that. As I said, at the top here, we've got our management system, which we can raise and lower the roof, which you've seen. Turn our heater on here as well. Turn our fridge on. We've got other functions on here as well as a clock. We also got our water levels there as well. It's also worth noting this vehicle comes with a 12-month AA breakdown cover. As we're proud to say, we're AA Dealer Promise dealers. It's all ready to go and enjoy for the summer. Please give us a call, 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923. Or of course you can view raylandcarsales.co.uk. Hope you've enjoyed watching our video and we'll speak to you soon.